Yo, it's DJ Fluff Dog. I'm here with your man K Weezy and Dr. J. They're gonna right now rap a little bit. They're gonna diss on Mr. Tweener, who's got a little wiener. Here we go, guys.
Yo, you know, I'm for real, this ain't no show. Me and Doctor be giving Tweener the elbow.
Yeah, man. Tweener, why do you have a little wiener? That's a good question, right?
Yeah.
Man, my shit is tight. Tommy, your shit is whack. Get off the crack. You can't hold me back. I'm tough. You just ain't enough.
This is a DJ Fluff Dog production.
Yo, Tweener, you ain't nothing but a fake.
Yo, you gotta stop rapping for your own sake.
Dog, you so gay, you flutter like a snowflake.
While you still awake, go back to bed. Your shit is dead. When I grab my gun, dog, you better start to run.
Tommy's got a small wiener. Tommy, he's got a what? Tommy, small wiener. Tommy's got a small wiener.
Yo, dog, you such a fool. You look like a tool. I hate to be so cruel. Bruh, you should go back to high school. You would drown in a kiddie pool. So now what you gonna say? I'll take you down in the hood, touche?
Yeah, man, you never heard it like this before. You're dealing with a doctor. I'm gonna stop ya. I'm too fast for you, man. Tweener, you think you're the man just because you can rap? Well, it's crap. I ain't worried, dog. Let's make this better. So take off your sweater, cause I'm so hot and you're not. Wait, wanna hear my rap? You wanna hear my rhyme? It ain't a crime. I'm the best. You need to stop hating and waiting, cause it's my time to shine. So bitch, please get off your knees and let me do what I do best. So boy, stop playing. You ain't hood, you will never be understood. Are you not impressed? Then get out. I'm the bomb. I will blow up in your face, man.
Tommy, he's got a small wiener. Tommy, he's got a small wiener. Tommy, he's got a small wiener. Tommy, he's got a small wiener.
Yeah, man. Me and Lil K.O. Weezy know what's up. Man, I eat toast for breakfast.